Are your MetaQuest 3 controllers not turning on and not showing the power LED? Try these simple steps that will help you fix the controllers yourself. Even though it may sound unnecessary, the very first thing that you should do is make sure the batteries are seated properly. The controllers may get bumped around, which may cause the batteries to come loose. So go ahead and open the battery compartments by pressing this button. And after that, press on the batteries, and in my case, it went in about half a centimeter, which means it was loose. So make sure to follow this process, and if the batteries feel like they're very loose, what you can do is take a small piece of paper, fold it a couple times, put it on top of the battery, and then close the lid. This will help put pressure on it so that it doesn't move. Do the same for the other controllers. But if the controller still won't turn on, let's check if you can see the power LED. To do this, you'll need to hold the meta button for the right controller and the menu button for the left. And after pressing or holding on them, you should see the white LED. If you don't see them, that is probably because the batteries are drained. So take out the batteries and put in a fresh pair. What if you have taken care of the batteries, but the controller still doesn't respond? This may as well happen because of some software glitch on your headset. So in the next step, we will force shut down our headset and then reboot it. To completely shut down our headset, we can just hold down the power button for about 4 to 5 seconds, and this will ensure that it's totally shut down. Now wait for a couple minutes before turning your Quest 3 back on. After that, try using your controllers and see if they become active. What if they don't? What can fix this is resetting our controllers and then pairing them back to the headset. To reset the controllers, you'll need to hold down 2 buttons together. For the right controller, this will be the back and the meta button. So, hold them down together until you feel 3 vibrations and see the light. For the left controllers, hold down the menu and the Y button. Then, let go after feeling the vibrations. Now, make sure your headset is on and try using your controllers. What this should do in most cases is pair your controllers back to your headset automatically. If they don't pair themselves, then you'll have to open the Meta Horizon app, select your MetaQuest, select Headset Settings, then Controllers, select Pair New Controllers, and follow the rest of the process to pair them back. Hopefully this process was able to fix this for most of you. Unfortunately, if your controllers still won't turn on and they're unusable, especially if it's just one controller, then it's probably a hardware issue, to fix which you will need to take it apart. So it's recommended that you contact customer support or take it to a technician. And these are all the steps that you can follow. And that's all for this video.